Hi boys and girls. Today is lesson 19, activity 3, and we are going to be practicing ABC order today. So what I want you to do, it would be very helpful if you had your spelling list in front of you. If you don't, you could use like the words off the worksheet for today, worksheet 55, because we're going to be practicing how to put words in ABC order. This will be easy for some of you and harder for some of you. Now today what will be different, I'm not going to put in the challenge words. I'll do those separate with that group at the end of the video. But if you're only on 5 words, you still have to look at all the words, okay? So today we'll be working on all the words no matter how many words are on your list. Challenge people will put the challenge words in ABC order at the end, okay? All right, so the very first thing I want you to do, I want you to think about the very first letter of the alphabet, which is A, okay? So I'm going to go to my list on my worksheet or to this list, either one, and I'm looking for words that start with A, and I don't see any. So I'm just going to put A and a little check mark by it, like there are no A words, okay? And you do need your dry erase marker. If I look at you at your desk, you shouldn't just be listening to me, you should be working as well. Okay, now B. So as I look at the list, I'm seeing some B words. So I want you to write B on your desk and put a line under it. So these are words that start with a B, okay? There were no A words. Actually, I just might cross out A. You don't even have to write that. So B words. Okay, as I go to the B words, I am looking at, sorry, let me grab a pencil. I'm looking at blue, like the color blue, balloon, and I'm just going to go down to through the review words, and blue again, like the wind blew. Okay, so I see 3 B words. So blue, the color blue starts with BL, balloon starts with BA, and this blue, like the wind blue, starts with BL. So BA comes before BL in the alphabet. So we're going to write balloon first. Okay, and I want you to write balloon, and then we'll check your spelling to see if you are correct. Next, blue, the color blue is BLU, the wind blue is BLE. So is E or U first? Okay, if you said E is first, you're correct. So you would write the wind blue and then the color blue. So write those 3 words. So you should have balloon, blue, and blue. They all start with B. Then we go to the second letter. A comes before L. Then we go to the second letter down here. If they're the same, we have to go to the third letter. So E comes before U. Okay. Next, I'm looking for C words, and I do see some C words, so I want you to make a C column, just like I am. Okay. As I look down, I see crooked, the 8th word. I see chew. I see cool. I think that's it. So C, they all start with C, so would it be CR, CH, or CO? Which one comes first? So write the word you think comes first, and we'll see if you're correct. Okay, if you wrote chew, you're exactly right. Then we have crooked or cool. So does R or O come first? So I'm thinking in my head, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. M, N, O, P, Q, R. Which one did I say first? O or R? If you said O, you're correct. So cool would come next. And then the last C word, which is crooked, meaning not straight. So chew, then cool, then crooked. H, then O, and then R. Okay, now I'm looking for D words. I do see a D word, so I'm going to put a D column, and I want you to also put a D column. So I'm looking, I see 1 D word, maybe just 1 D word. So that would be drew, D-R-E-W, like I drew a picture, okay? So A, B, C, D, now I'm going to E words. Are there any E words? Oh, nope, so I'm going to put E up above, no E words, so cross that one out. A, B, C, D, E, F. I see 2 F words, okay? So I see number 13, food, and number 16, foot. So looking at those 2 words, The F, O, O are all the same, so we have to go to the last letter. So here we have a D and here we have T. So does D or T come first? Okay, if you said D, you're correct. And then T. So alphabetical order, we would have food, and then we would have foot. Okay? All right, A, B, C, D, E, F. Sorry, let me mark off all the ones I've used real quick so I don't get confused. Okay, so G words. Any G? Okay, no G, so I'm going to put that up above. H. Any H words? Ooh, I do see an H word and just one. So see if you can find it. Some of you are confused with this word. This word is hooves. Hooves. Like a cow's hooves, like their feet, and a horse's hooves. Any kind of animal that have that hard surface on their feet, that's called a hoof. And if we're talking about more than one, it's hooves. Okay, so that's H. I don't see any I words. No J. No K. No L. So none of those. I do see M. So let's put M. And I think I only see one M word, so that would be mood. Can you write mood and see if you spell it correctly? If you were right, here's mood. M-O-O-D, mood. Okay, no N. No O. I do see a P word. Okay, that word is pooch, like a small dog is a pooch. Pooch. Okay, so that's P. No Q. R. Any R words? I think we just have a couple more. No R. Oh, I do see an S, so S would be next. Smooth. See if you can write smooth in an S column. Okay, let's check your spelling. Smooth. Okay, S, and then I do see a T word. Tooth. How do you think you write tooth? Right, tooth. Okay, let's check your spelling. T-O-O-H, tooth. No U. Oh, you know what? I see another T word, true. And we're lucky because it comes after tooth because R comes after O. True. True. Okay. T-U-V-W. I think W is our last one. So I'm going to put a W and it's wooden. So write the word wood and then add that E-N onto the end to get wooden. Wooden. When I count, I should have 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yay, we did it right. Okay, good job. All right, let's talk about the worksheet. Okay, today's worksheet, this one's a little wrinkly. I borrowed a student's that had it all wrinkled up. It says find and circle the misspelled words. We've been doing this since the beginning. So you're going through and you're finding the 8, it looks like misspelled words, circling it, and writing them correctly down below. Do not write them incorrectly. So circle it and find it correct. Thank you for the wonderful day at the petting zoo. It put me in such a good mood. They have mood. So circle mood and find mood, number 1, mood. So you would write mood on the line. Then keep going to find all 8 words. Okay, great job. Oh, yeah, I think we'll stop there. Challenge people will go ahead and stop there today. You may practice on your own, though, putting your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words in ABC order, and then that would be giving you some practice on writing them as well. Okay, gloom, new, lose, loose, and jewel. I would like you to practice those on your own. And you could even write them on your paper. That could be your secret message over on the side for the challenge word, people writing them in ABC order.